Ever since Governor Kate Brown announced Oregon open for business in late June, she has resisted calls to enact statewide mandates that may slow the COVID virus. Now that's changed.
It's clear the current situation requires immediate action to stop the Delta variant from spreading further. That's why, moving forward for the immediate future, masks will be required in all indoor public settings, effective this Friday, August 13th.
Part of the reason for the order is the explosive spread of the Delta variant, mostly among the unvaccinated. Scientists say it's able to spread from one person to 8 more on average. On July 1st, Oregon hospitals had 134 COVID patients. By August 10th, the number had shot up to 635, a new record. August 11th, the number stood at 665.
Those totals just broke the record that hospitals set just yesterday.
Oregon Health and Sciences University researchers estimate on the current growth curve, the state will be 500 hospital beds short by September 7th. Governor Brown said it's obvious something has to be done to slow the spread, but that most local leaders refused.
What was really clear after my meeting with county commissioners last week, and despite pleas from hospital CEOs and local public health authorities, is that for the most part, local elected officials were not willing to make the tough decisions. And I needed to make a decision to preserve our hospital bed capacity.
State leaders urged those who have not received a shot to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
If you are unvaccinated, the risk of being sickened by the virus or ending up seriously ill or even dying from COVID-19 has never been greater.
In late June, when all statewide COVID rules were dropped, it seemed for a moment the nightmare of the pandemic was behind us. Now it's clear it is not.
It's a disappointing reminder that we still have dark days ahead. Until more people get vaccinated, we are all still in danger.
Back out live now. The state just reported the day's new yesterday reported today 1,991 new cases. We are headed for trouble with this Delta variant. Back to you, Morgan.
We sure are, Pat. Question though, will this ban be enforced?
Well, the governor says yes, it will. At first, it'll be an education. People will be told to put on their masks, but if they refuse, they can be fined by OSHA. That's the state agency that does workforce or workplace enforcement. I think it might be under the argument that by not wearing a mask, you're putting workers there in danger, and so that's a violation of safety practices. Back to you.
All right, thanks for clarifying.